reminder that you do need fishing permits and a boat license to fish Rhenosterkop Dam. They are available at the gate. Cards only, no cash accepted.
Are you ready to fish?
I'm ready.
Are you excited?
Sort of.
It's been a long 6 weeks.
It has.
It has.
What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to Bass Chick ZA. We are eventually back on the water. So looking forward to fishing Rhenosterkop today. So we're hoping for an awesome day. It's a bit chilly this morning. Dean and I haven't fished for probably the last 6 weeks. Dean's been away. There's been some awesome and exciting things that have happened. We retired the old goat, aka the Pathfinder, and we're back with the Navara. So keep an eye out for an awesome build coming on the Navara, some different content. But we're excited, hoping for an awesome day on the water. Special thanks to our brand partners, Yamamoto Baits, because what you fish matters, and Highchem. We'll check you on the water. First fish of the day.
Come on. Come on.
Right, chaos on the boat.
Is this a bigger one?
I don't know. What is it? Nice, it is. Nice. Well done.
Yes, baby.
Who's copying my bait now?
Not me.
Not you. It wasn't you. Well done.
Yes!
Good job, love.
I told you, my baby.
Well done. Nice. Awesome.
We lose control, surrender to the night.
That's so rude. You're lucky this is a team day. Because...
Oh, that's even ruder.
Chaos of the night, we find our peace. In the rhythm of the moment, we release. We're unstoppable, wild and free. In this dance of passion, it's just you and me. We lose control. Surrender to the night. Let the music take us. Feel it ignite. No rules, no limits, just pure desire. In this euphoria, we're burning like fire.
I remember when we used to sing in the government yard in French town, yeah.
What's happening, everybody? Bass Chick here. I'm here with Sipho. Sipho, tell us a little bit about this oasis you've got.
Mthembuskloof Country Lodge. We have tried here to come up with like a great escape, just a short left from Pretoria or Gauteng. We are nestled in Mthembuskloof. We are about 20 minutes drive from Siyabuswa and about 30 minutes from Kamhlanga. But we are in a rural area called Mthembuskloof. We decided to come and build up a holiday place and a destination for people just to come and relax, chill, rejuvenate themselves and have fun.
Guys, it's everything and more. If you're in the area, stop by, check the place out. It's got 5 stars from Bass Chick.
So what's the deal with Rhenosterkop? It's good fishing. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. There is a lot of grass in the water, a lot of structure like tree stumps and things like that, so that makes for exciting fishing. It was very cold when we launched, but as the day progressed it did get warmer. When you get to the gate, as I said before, you will need to buy a fishing permit and a boat license. Remember to take your card, no cash accepted. The boat to launch, the ramp is in good condition, no hassles launching, and overall it's a really exciting dam to fish. We're looking forward to fishing it again. We stayed about 20 minutes away from the dam and it was a pleasant drive in and out of where we were staying. So looking forward to our next trip. Tight lines till next time. See you.